Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We continue with the cloning of a chart in the Coca Cola 2019 Audited Financial Statement. I showed you method one, which was a bit tricky because I had to go into error bars and creating two axes, one for the primary, then one for the secondary, using some few techniques that you actually appreciated. I hope you did in the first video. Now we're going to the second video, which is method 2, which is slightly easier. In terms of the Excel Ninja skills, it's under 6. So let's carry on. Let's go there to the audited financial statements first. I think to just be fair that we check on this. This is the chart. This is the chart that we are trying to clone, right? Reducing added sugar while increasing sales globally. So we want to clone this. Look at it nicely. So we then now go to Excel. So method 1, this is what we did. So we got method 2. So on method 2, we'll just trick Excel a little bit. This is just tricking. So say 2016 and 2017. You can put a number, it doesn't matter. These are dummy numbers or data in there, and fictitious years. So why we are doing this, we want to have a chart that will have a bit of some space. This is what I mean. If we do like this, again here we extend it up to there. So we can now delete that. This is what I wanted, so that I have some space this side, I have some space the other side. Okay. And had I not done that, the bars were going to be quite big. So that was one reason why I had to put in some dummy data for the first 2 fictitious years, so that I reduce in terms of the bars and also create equal space. That is before the bars and after the bars. So from here, I can now do Control-1, take this up to there, and take that up to there. So I don't need this. I don't need this either. So I'll do this. Click in here. Go to the view and line. I'll go to this line. Which are we picking that? Can even grow it a bit up to there. I could decide which font I want to pick. Maybe it's this. Then go to the labels. From the labels, check on the label position. Pick high, like that. We're almost there. This is a very easy method. For some reason, I don't like the colors. So I'll say no line and no fill color. So come here, you double click the first one. That's advantage. The problem with error bars, you can't do this. Once you pick one, then you would have picked the rest. But with this one, you can still double click and just pick that first bar. And this is what we're doing. So we'll go to color. Which color are we picking? This is red. But we make it like this. Down here, we'll pick gray. Sorry, should I have double clicked? Picked gray. Is it gray? Yeah. And here, proper red. There, proper black. Method 2 looks user friendly. Then pick data labels in here. Pick red, obviously, and make it bold. Down here, add data labels, and pick black. Okay. And from here, I can pick this whole thing. Can even bring it this side, guys. I can copy this part because we had already done that. Copy. And paste it here. Something like that. Okay. Go to my X2, pick on exports. What should I call this? Coca Cola. So if you change numbers from here, first let me just go this side and check. I'll go check. You change to 5, be like this. -8 to be like that. Okay. Then I can now go to my PowerPoint. Sorry, I thought I actually didn't show you this. No slide. I'll remove that. Set for method 2. So you see for method one, let me go to method one. Method one was this. Method two is that. So, and if I go to the document, where is the document? The document is here. So you can use two methods and still achieve your objective. Just wanted to show you how you can create these dashboards creatively. So our next project would be on how we can create things like that. Again, use the Coca Cola charts concepts. This is how you learn how to create dashboards. I hope before end of January, I'll organize a one-day workshop on dashboard modeling. Thank you so much and have a very nice and productive day. Thank you. Bye-bye.